Hello students, very precious good morning to all of you. Today now we are going to a small type of cell organelles that is known as microbody. Microbody is not a cell organelle, it is a type of vesicles like structure. Many small single membranous vesicles is known as microbodies. So microbody is a type of small membranous, they are many in number, they are present in the cytoplasmic area, that is known as microbody. It contains various enzymes. It contains various enzymes for oxidation and reduction reaction rather than those of respiration. The microbodies contains various type of enzyme. It is important role for oxidation and reduction reaction rather than those of respiration, because all the respiratory enzymes show oxidation and reduction reaction. Similar way, microbodies also show oxidation and reduction reaction. It included three different types: peroxisomes, sporosomes and glycosomes. There are three different types of vesicles. They are present in the cytoplasmic area. First is the peroxisomes, second is the sporosome, and third is the glycosome. Means all of three vesicles like structure included to microbody. Peroxisomes. What is the peroxisomes? They contain enzymes. Basically, there are two types of enzymes. First, oxidases. Oxidation of amino acid and uric acid, then converted into hydrogen peroxide. The another enzymes, second enzymes, that is known as catalases. The catalase enzyme break down degradation of hydrogen peroxides into H2O plus oxygen, because the hydrogen peroxide is the very dangerous for plant as well as animal, because the microbodies they are found in plant as well as animals. मतलब दोनों में आपको ये मिलता है, plants and animals. तो आपने देखा कि द peroxisomes, ये जो peroxisomes होते हैं, contains two different type of enzyme. First is the oxidases. What is the role of the oxidases? Oxidation of amino acid and uric acid into hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a type of dangerous gases, dangerous chemical compound, they are present in the side the plant and animal. After that, they are degraded ultimately with the help of catalysis enzymes and degradation of hydrogen peroxide into water molecule as well as oxygen. This is the second vesicles like structures that is known as spherosomes. Second is spherosome. Small refractile bodies, small refractile bodies, it is important role for storage and synthesis of fat. This is the main important role of the spherosome is what? Storage and synthesis, means first of all synthesize the fat molecule, after that they are stored inside them. This is the main function of the spherosome. Third is glycosomes. The third vesicles that is known as glycosomes. Glycosomes contains various enzymes for glycylate cycle. What is the role in the glycylate cycle? Conversion of fat into carbohydrate or glucose, and this process is known as gluconeogenesis, and this process is known as gluconeogenesis. This is the main function of glycolose. So here the microbodies are finished. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next content in the cytoplasmic area, that is known as vacuoles. What is the vacuoles? Vacuole is what? Membrane bound space present in cytoplasmic area, in cytoplasm or cytoplasmic area, that is known as vacuoles. तो वैक्यूल्स क्या है? वैक्यूल्स किसी भी साइटोप्लाज्मिक एरिया, अगर ये सेल है तो सेल के अंदर अगर यहाँ पर एक कुछ वैक्यूल्स आ रहे हैं, वैक्यूल्स होंगे, दैट इज स्पेस आर प्रेजेंट इन हियर इज द जेनेटिक मटेरियल, हियर द न्यूक्लियस, एंड दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज vacuoles. The vacuoles, they are present in the cytoplasmic area, that is known as vacuole. The vacuoles are different types: plant vacuoles, animal vacuoles, depends upon the reserve food materials, उस पर भी they are different types. So I will discuss later. Though the plant vacuoles are well developed, they are present in the center of the cell. It contains various type of cell saps, inorganic and organic content. But in case of the animal cell, the vacuoles, they are many in number, they are very small in size, are absent. So vacuoles are well developed, well functionable in case of plant cell. तो vacuoles की अगर हम बात करें तो vacuoles present in plant cell, plants as well as animals, plants and animals. The plant vacuoles are well developed and more functionable, but the animal vacuoles are larger size. The animal vacuoles are less developed and smaller in size. This is the basic differences between them, smaller size. The vacuoles contains various type of useful and usually harmful substances like waters, it contains water, sap, cell sap, it contains excretory product, it contains inorganic substances as well as organic substances, मतलब it contains useful as well as harmful. If the plant vacuoles or any vacuoles contains the harmful, so they are removed outside of the cell with the help of exocytosis. On the natures of the vacuoles, there are three types on the function and natures of the vacuole. The first is contractile vacuoles. Their important role, removal of waste product, removal of waste product. अभी आप कर सकते हो नाइट्रोजनस भी हो सकते हैं, नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट from the body with the help of contractile vacuole, and these vacuoles are well developed in amoeba. अगर हम अमीबा के केस में देखें तो contractile vacuoles play very important tool to maintain the water as well as salt balance inside the cell, as well as remove the waste product from the body with the help of contractile vacuoles. The second vacuole is known as food vacuole. The food vacuoles, these vacuoles contains food. When the food are engulfed inside the cell, they are stored inside the space, and this space is known as food vacuole. And third vacuoles is known as gas vacuoles. Gas vacuoles contain gas. It is important role. What is the role? Maintain the buoyancy. Maintain the buoyancy. This is the very important role of the food vacuoles. So here the vacuoles are finished. Thank you. Have a nice day, all of you.